Hey guys, I'm here and I just got a package in the mail. Not sure exactly what it is, but I'm going to be opening it up right now and giving you guys a review. This is the package. Package nice. I have a feeling I might know what it is, but we'll see. Doesn't say. Let's open it up and find out. Very nice. This is a Spiderman Faceshell. Packaged really well. Of course, I don't have my knife on me right now. Normally do. Oh, it's got a muscle through it. Nice and bubble wrapped. Struggle is real. I'm surprised this thing came in because on the tracking it said it wouldn't be here for like another month. Yep, it came in early. It was awesome. That's pretty cool. Oh yes, it does come with the mask. Oh, that's awesome. Check it out. Open up the mask first. Pretty sweet. It's good material. Zipper on the back. Can't even see it. Hidden pretty good. Try the sucker on before you. You're supposed to have a face shell, but put this on. This is what it looks like. I can't even see because I didn't cut out eye holes. But it's nice and tight. Fits great. Oh, that's awesome. Mask's better than I thought it would be. Scared it would be too big. That's one thing you've got to worry about when you buy a mask. Is don't get one too big because it's all saggy on your face. Looks weird. Oh, it's pretty sweet. These ones kind of like kind of cool. Normally they're magnets, but this one clips on. What it looks like through. Doesn't do its justice there because I can see a lot better than what the camera shows. It's actually really clear. It's wicked. I'll have to put another video on of after I cut the eye holes out and see what it looks like on my face when it's done. But I can give you a idea take these lenses out, put the mask over it, and put the lenses where they should be. Give you an idea what it should look like. One good thing about the clips is that they're harder to come off, which is also not as good of a thing for take them off, but if you try to do flips and stuff, they're not going to fall out as easy. So put the mask in on the face shell. Show you what I'm doing. Make sure, I see people messing up where the mask should be. Sometimes they have the webbing at the top of the head and it looks really weird. It's not the webbing. Normally where the points, see the point? That's where the eye goes, and the webbing in the middle should meet up with the point. Might look a little funky before I cut the holes out because these little things sticking out, but it'll look better once you cut the holes. Sure it's stretched over it nicely. Do the zipper up will help. And if you don't have the eyes in, you can feel where the nose is. It should be like right above the nose. Otherwise it's gonna look really weird. If you look in the comics, I was checking out where he actually puts his eyes are. It's always right above the nose and where the points of his eyes meet at the center of the web. Goes in here somewhere. Feel where his eye is. So this is where his eyeball is. Fix it better once I cut the holes out because you can see where it's supposed to be. So that's pretty close. Hold it there roughly because I gotta cut the eye holes out for it to stick better. One thing about magnets, it's a lot easier just to stick them on, but these are harder to come off. Has down pros and cons. Stretch the mask. Yeah, that's where his see where the webbing meets the point? That's where it should be. Roughly should look like. It's gonna look a lot better once I cut the eye holes out. These stretch a lot better, but gives you a rough idea of what it would look like. I'll make the video after I cut the eye holes out and have it on my face, see what it looks like. Thanks for watching.